In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location on Connecteam. If you need to update a physical work location or branch in Connecteam, the process is handled from the admin side of the platform. So to begin, go to the Connecteam Launchpad and open your admin dashboard. From there, look to the left sidebar and select Company Info, then click on Branches. This is the area where you manage company locations. If you already have branches listed, you can edit the existing branch names to reflect the correct locations. For example, if a branch name has changed or you need to replace an old location with a new one, this is where you do it. If the location you need does not exist yet, click Add Branch and create a new one. Once you've made the necessary updates, make sure to save your changes so the new branch information is applied properly. It's important to know that if you're an employee trying to update your own location in your user profile, you usually won't be able to change that yourself. In that case, you'll need to contact your administrator or HR team and ask them to edit your user profile for you. If needed, you can also use the Connecteam Help Center to reach the appropriate admin contact within your organization. Now, if what you actually want is not a branch change, but a specific clock-in location for attendance tracking, then you'll want to use geofences instead. This is especially useful if you want employees to be able to clock in only when they are physically at a designated job site. To set that up, open Time Clock from the left sidebar and select the relevant clock. After that, click Settings and choose Geofences, or in some setups, Geolocation, then select Add Site. You'll be prompted to enter the site name and address, and from there you can adjust the fence radius to match the actual work area. This radius determines how close someone must be to the location in order to clock in successfully. When everything looks correct, save your changes. Once saved, employees will only be able to clock in when they are physically inside that approved location. A good tip here is to double check the branch name, address details, and geofence radius before saving, especially if you manage multiple locations. Small mistakes can affect scheduling, reporting, or clock-in accuracy. With that, you now know how to change location settings in Connecteam, whether you're updating a branch or setting up a geofenced work site.